Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is my passion. Today, friends, I will be telling you how to grow tuberose flowers from the tubers of tuberose. This is a very easy, and you can get these types of bulbs or tubers from market, from the nursery easily. They sell around 10 rupees per piece, or if you can grow from the growers directly, you can get in 5 rupees each. Very cheap, and you can buy around 3 to 4 for one pots. And I'll telling you how to grow them. Take around 8-inch pot of clay pot is the best for growing these types of tuberose. If you have a plastic pot or ceramic pot, that will also do. So today I am telling you the exact thing, and just cover the hole with a broken piece of this pot here, and drainage hole is must for growing any of the plant. So I am putting some chips over the hole, and now I am showing you the exact soil mix for very fast growth of the plants. And you can get the very fast the spikes very fast you can get. So this is the tricks I am telling you. And I'll tell you that if you want, you can grow the single petal or double petal. They are also available in the markets. And nowadays some yellow color, pink color, and different color varieties are also, cultivars are also available in the market. So today I'll be telling you some secrets of growing these tubers here. And take around 80% garden soil, any kind of garden soil, and 20% of the compost, maybe vermicompost or cow dung compost or leaf mold compost, whatever you have. So I am taking around these two types of component, and 20% compost is enough. Just mix it very well. Now I am revealing the tricks here, how you can get the spikes very fast, and what fertilizers you should use for there. And see, just follow this and just write it down, the recipe here for what are the exact. So now my mixing is complete, and I will fill up the big size some soil balls here at the bottom. And from the bottom I am putting the big size soil balls here. And now after that I am filling the total soil around 4-inch or 5-inch of layer of this soil mix. And after that I will be putting this all these tubers here. But before that I'll show you what would be the exact fertilization for this mixture. And here I am taking some garden soil, some compost, coco peat. If you have coco peat, that's okay. If not, it is not mandatory. So now I am mixing it properly. Here the fertilizer I am using here, just mix your is 10 26 26 Supola NPK, 2 teaspoonful of NPK, 2 teaspoonful of NPK. If you have 19 or 20 that would also do. And now 1 teaspoonful of super phosphate. This is very essential for proper growth of your roots. If you have super phosphate you can, or if you don't have, you can add some of this rock phosphate also, that would also do. So this is the phosphorus contents. And I'll be putting it at the bottom of the soil here. I am showing you after the putting the soil mix here. Now apply this type of soil mix here, 1 or 2-inch layer of this kind of soil mix. This is a fertilizer mix and soil mix here. Around 2-inch layer I will be putting here. And after that I will be growing this all the tubers of this Rajnigandha or this tuberose. And there is a very fine, very fragrant flowers are Rajnigandha or tuberose. Now put this all these tubers or bulbs, in local language it is called flower bulbs of this Rajnigandha or tuberose. Now put around 3 pieces in 8-inch pot would be nice. And if this 10-inch pot, you can grow 4 pieces also. But it is the best if you grow 3 bulbs or tubers in one 8-inch pot. And after that fill up with the same soil mix, around 1-inch layer of same soil mix. And after that I'll be telling you another soil mix, another fertilizer mix, that will be very helpful for growing the spikes here very fast. You can get the spikes very fast. In 2 to 3 months time you can get the first. And I'll tell you, must grow it in this rainy season, applying 1 teaspoonful of DAP, diammonium phosphate, 1 teaspoonful for 2 pots. And in that I'll be adding 1 teaspoonful of urea. So urea is a rich nitrogen source. So I am applying nitrogen source as urea 1 teaspoonful for 2 pots. After mixing it, I'll be applying it properly on the soil in the tubers, and see how I am applying it. 1 teaspoonful is enough for 2 pots. And now this is very very essential for fast growing of leaves and all the chlorophyll content, and there will be huge amount of photosynthesis, and as a result there will be very fast growth of all the spikes, flower spikes. So this is the nursery trick I am telling you, how to get these flower sticks very fast, else what will happen, the flower sticks will grow in the next season. So this is the time you can get in 2 to 3 months time, you can get the flower spikes from here. Now after putting all the soil mix, just water it properly and keep it in full sunlight area, and water it time to time, and don't forget to water it, and keep it in open sunlight, open rainy season. They should get sufficient sunlight, sufficient water for proper growth of the plants. I'll show you in the time of 10 to 12 20 days time what is the growth of these plants and what is the caring. Don't take any much care. So friends, now time to water it, and proper watering is very very essential, and keep it in open sunlight, open area, and they should get enough sunlight, enough rain, everything. So don't worry about this anything over watering and all. So now friends, after 14 days, now you see the growth of these plants, very very nice growth, and all the flower these plants leaves are grown here properly, and they attained around 1 feet of height of these leaves here, and let them grow. After a week I will show you the updates of this growth. Just water it every day so that the soil must be moist. Welcome back friends. After 21 days you can see this is the leaves around 1.5 feet tall, and this is the time now. After proper growth there should be spikes from here, and from each tuber you can get one spikes from here, and they will bloom, and they bloom usually in the evening time, and they are single petal or bipetal or double petal. This is a very very beautiful fragrance, beautiful scent, and if they is not blooming this time, they may be dormant in this coming winter, and in the coming March or April you must get lots of spikes from these flower plants. And this is the must the trick of growing tubers of tuberose in this home. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please like it, share it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, and thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.